And now this is going to fill the entire. No, I just want it to be on the button though. Uh, this is taking all the entire. See, if I add the background color here, and then this is going to. Yeah, my height is something that's what I was thinking. Now let's give it a padding on all sides. And let's add a padding to the button. So inside the text as well. Now we need the padding on all sides, right? So I've given it a bag. Oh yeah, I get sort of. I give it a color. Oh, need to be very careful when we are giving the padding because modifiers are evaluated on how they are written, right? So I've gotten a padding. Get started is there, but then let's get back. How much is the width and height? I just zoom in onto this button. There is a width and a height that has to come. So there is horizontal. Okay, this is what. No, there is this padding which is so this is I believe horizontal padding, and then there is vertical as well. Okay, so you only apply. There are two horizontal, and then you give the value, right? How much you want. Let's come back. Horizontal padding is 11. So just to be 11. And then vertical, there is a padding coming in vertical as well. That's a padding. So that basically, I guess, gives equal padding on all sides, right? And then vertical is how much? 12. Yeah, this is now a little bit looking like that. And the font is not. There's an issue with the font. See, you see how this is. This is wide. Yeah, I added Netflix ads to it. Even made it label as well. And this font has to. So I got the button text, and then this is the V stack, right? Okay, so let's have that text being. There is some text that is in unlimited movie TV shows. This 36. This is Netflix ads medium and 32 pixels. And what's the opacity? Unlimited movies, TV shows, and what? So let's add that text. Unlimited movies, TV shows, and then I have to split that. Uh, this has to be this has to come down now. Where is it gone? The reason is this button has to come at the bottom, right? Uh, also, this has come at the bottom. I think this is. Hmm. So he's placing this at the center of the screen and then the location of that button has to change. So this is the. Okay, so now it has. Yeah, let's apply a spacer here so that it's bridge 2 down. Okay, so this has come a little bit up now. You have a. Let's give it a space from here a little bit so that Yeah, even. No, but this is now going to be too much. Mhm. Let's look on the. For the timing, let's get the text properly aligned. We need the this right font and then the custom thing has to come. So it's basically this thing. Let's get this thing here. Oh yeah, yeah. So you have font, Control C, and then oh, but then the size is something else. This is 32, I believe. What's Yeah, this is 32 pixels. Then there is something letter spacing as well. We need to work on that. I'll make this 32. And then is it okay. How much is so this is this label one or this is just Netflix ads? Let's get the relative to out and then we don't need the relative. Now we need to change the letter spacing, right? Add in a full stop as well. Oh, there are a number of columns, yeah. So unlimited movies and then comma. Where is the so insert more when you have your dot. So I can do there's something called as Okay, let's add in a tracking now. Oh, we don't need the. How much is the tracking? Minus 0.5. And now we don't need everything on the first line, right? We need something to be going on the bottom. So we need unlimited. Okay, so this is like a wait. He has given this a size. Oh, wait. Come on. No. So this box has a total width of 343 and height. So I need to give that a frame and height. Let's go back. Let's give this a frame. And then let's give this a width and then a height. So how much is the width? The width is 343. 343. And then there is a height as well. So that's how much is the height of the container though? 80. So this is how that unlimited movies and unlimited movies, TV shows, and is there a after shows you have a comma? There is uh yeah, let's remove this in between spacing. So right now it's on top, but then we'll add some text as well, right? One more text box is pending over here. So this is watch anywhere, cancel anytime. This is 18, right? So line height is something that is going to be watch anywhere, cancel anytime. Let me select the text. So before the button there is another text, right? It says watch anywhere, cancel anytime. Tap the link below to sign up. Let's get a style so that we can see it. Where is the text right now? This is the V stack. It's still refreshing. So watch anywhere, cancel anytime. Okay. And then what's the this is Netflix and then uh, it's like how much? 18. Let's go back here. Let's apply a custom maybe font. Yeah, search for custom and then just to be custom. So this has to be a string, right? The string is this, and size is 18. And then this will be given a frame height and a width, I guess. So if I come back to Figma, this is 286 and 48. So you get a frame. That's a width of 286 and height of say, and then but then this is now going to go down. I guess the content is more than the size. So I have to move this tab link below to the second line. So on the first line I should only have watch anywhere. Oh, have I misplaced? So it's saying tab and the link below. So is cancel anytime coming on the bottom. Watch anywhere. On the second line I only need the, I think as this is one single box, right? Line height is 24. So just I need to add in a center alignment. That's all. By default, it's going to be center. Line height. The thing is, this is all one block. Like this is a single block. Even this is a. It has to come in one single line. This is one. This has to be on the next line. Uh, so this is line spacing is going to be something that can adjust the line height. This is 24. And how to Yeah, you need to add that multi-line so that it goes into the next line. So we need the, okay, yeah. So I can add a backslash n over here. Or you can concatenate. Not by frame. That has to be continuous. So yes. The line spacing is, this is 24. This is double, right? The line spacing has to be a smaller value, he's saying. And each line height is, this is 18 pixels. Not this height with respect to what? If I no, if I increase it, this height isn't changing. This is 18 plus, yeah, if it's so 48 plus, the total height is 48, right? So if I do 18 plus 24, it is still 42. Oh, if this is total 48, then it has to go outside the box. That is line height. Now there is something width, so you need to subtract. So how much is the font size? 18. So 18 minus 24. So has it to be 6 or something? What if I change this to 6? Since has to be 26. It has it to be 13. The moment I add 1 here, so 1 is working. So my desired line height is 24, and then font is 18, right? So we do 18 minus 24 is 6. So do I add in 3 over here? Let's see how 3 works. This is watch anytime. Watch anywhere. And then this is. Oh yeah, now it's. Then what if I make this 3? So font size is 18. Line height is 24. Then the text is still not fitting, right? So total is 18 plus. Oh, I see what's happening. 18 plus 36, right? So instead of me saying that you don't give it a height, and then let's have this to 6. Are all the boxes aligned? It's vertically centered. That's okay. What about this text? Now this is better, bigger, right? And then this has to come outside. If you see here, the width is same. It's 286 cross 48. And then this is Netflix hands. Yeah, the font is something that is. Oh, this was Netflix light. And this is medium. So if I go back, yeah, this has to be light. And even this has to be light. Let me check here. It's hyphen light, right? You can add in a edge tag and make it more centered if you want. top line is, so there is a space. This is bigger in length. This has to be. But does it remove the white spaces? In the second line there is a space, you see this thing. There is this space. That space has to come, right? Alignment. Spacing is what I need here is some extra spaces in it. Now there is extra spacing over here. And now if you see this, so the W and U are both aligned. Even the shows and more, it's yeah. Okay, this is again he's trying to. Yeah, let's get that multi-line thing, I guess. Yeah, this looks a little bit more cleaner now. So from here it has to be 32. Is there any time exactly below? No. There's no space after movies, I feel. There is a space. Movies and my story caps, small caps. Mm. Because the UN, it's the UN. Yeah, the WNU is almost in the same. The text is there, but it's not click it something. Tap the link below to sign up. And then there is a spacer after this, right? So you have the spacer coming here. And you have the three dots. So we have to still get this down. This has to be almost at the center of the screen. How much is the... Wait. This is 360... No, from here it's 284. Yeah, give it a height. The spacer has to be better. This is still. And then how much is the. Wait. So you have an item over here, right? So this is 183. Let's have a text at the. Okay, let's say this is high. Then let's have this frame height. Oh, so why is this going at the bottom? Yeah, let's apply a foreground style. I just want it. So this is. It's going to the very bottom. No, wait. How much is this dot from this element? This is 299 something. Where is it from the bottom? No, I need from this. This is 183. Yeah, it's not that long. I need to get the 3 dots now. Okay, yeah, that is all for this session. I hope you guys liked it. We'll continue with the journey and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.